The multi-city options widget can be used if you're running a site that just has cities, doesn't have neighborhoods or regions or countries or anything like that. It's kind of been superseded by location select widget, but we'll show you how to use the multi-city options just now anyway, while it's still here. So we want to put it in our navigation, header navigation, right? We'll get rid of the location select one that I had in place, and we'll put in multi-city options, drag that in there. There's space for a widget title, but you'd only really use that if you're using it in the sidebar. And if you are using the multi-city options, it's best to have it somewhere it's going to be on the page all the time, like somewhere in the header, which header navigation right works well for it. So let's go to front page and do a refresh. Now this is it here, multi-city options. It just creates a drop down with the cities in it. Now, these are just some test cities I have. For example, we went to Philadelphia. It'll let us change between cities, and you'll see the map change as well, so we're just in Philadelphia. The downside with that is the actual link is multi-city equals number 1, which is the city ID, rather than the name, which the location select would have done multi-city equals Philadelphia, which is better for SEO purposes. But it still can be used just as a standard drop down, whereas the location select widget looks the same but acts very differently. Let's have a look at the location select widget. You're probably screaming at the screen saying you can see it, and I can't. Here we are. Location select. Same idea. You put the widget title in if you're using a sidebar. Let's just refresh. Now it'll look exactly the same, but it's not. As you can see, when you click this, it drops down from here, and we can go all countries, and we can filter down by USA, Pennsylvania as a state, and then we can go to Philadelphia. And in the URL now I have multi-city equals Philadelphia, which you guys can't see, but trust me, it's there. And that's how the location select works as well.